again. This is the unboxing of 144 scale B-2 bomber. Right, you can actually see this is the box. Let's look inside of it. You actually get the instruction sheet and the painting guide. This is the stencil. The plastic parts. I'll actually look in detail these out of these. So this is the main body of the kit. You can actually see it's quite detailed. The lines, panel lines, and the plastic looks really nice. Then moving on to the weapons. You got your bombs, you got your tires, you got your normal precision bombs for the B-2. Moving on to the bomb bay, landing gears, bomb bay loads, the detailed cockpit here. You can see internally looks really nice. The weapons. This is the bomb bay loads. And then of course moving on to the stencil. You're given an option to do about 5 of these B-2. Spirit of Nebraska, New York, Arizona, Texas, and Ohio. Not forgetting the detail sheet, which looks very nice. Printed by Academy in Korea. And then moving on to the instruction sheet. In A4. Looks to be very nice. Total about 13 steps altogether to finish this model kit. And that's about it. That's about total review of the B-2 bomber. I'll be finishing it in May of this year. Thank you for watching and goodbye.